time to prepare the FI exhaust and put it inside the car. FI exhaust.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I am pretty excited because we will be installing this FI exhaust with gold tips. Yes, that is right, gold tips.
Here you go. Here's
on
the brand.
Lamborghini Huracan. And currently we are headed to Nash's house to take some footage before we install the new exhaust.
Stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be epic.
Good morning, Mr. Yu.
Morning!
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna install na.
So here we have the Lambo, and let us get some cold start action going on here.
Now that's the stock exhaust. Wait till you hear the FI later.
Alright, so let us get going and head to Titanworks.
Yup. Getting a new makeover. Wild. Woo! 2 more kilometers! To head on out. Here we also got another Lamborghini. McLaren. Now you see that Z63 AMG Black Series heading on out. Such a beauty. It's Christmas! 2 Lamborghinis in Christmas colors. So what are we opening here? It's like unwrapping a early Christmas present. Yep.
This is the one you
Here's the Porsche Carbon. The first remote.
Second, I think, here.
Op, umiingay na. So Nash, how's Christmas looking for you?
Solid.
Unwrapping the Christmas goodies, the FI goodies. I should tag DDE.
Yeah.
Tag DDE. This is the exact same exhaust system they have on their Lamborghini. Is there's a 610 or 580?
Dave, just the 580.
So we have the exact same Huracan right here as Dave of DDE. Time to rev it, and it's stock exhaust one last time. Put it to Corsa. Woohoo! Let's hear the first rev. This is the FI remote. So to close it, you have to press the bottom one. and to open it, you press the top one. So let's hear it closed first. That's how it sounds like in closed valves. Now we are gonna open it. You can definitely hear the sound changing, and let's hear it. Crazy. Excited for the exhaust! Nash, you entering the car. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Huge shout out to FI Exhaust for hooking us up with this really loud tips. It's crazy. You see it? That's crazy. So what's up, you guys? We're here in the Lamborghini and it sounds insane. And when I say insane, you don't want to hear this. Look at that! Yo! Wow! Man, I can't even put the words how loud this car sounds. I'm sure the iPhone won't justify how loud it is, but there's a reason why YouTube vloggers choose FI exhaust.
Wow.
It's crazy. You made the right choice, bro.
Super.
Woo! Baka Titan works! I'm sure you can hear this from a mile away.
Baka sobra.
Let's go! Woo! That was wild!
Oh shit!
That was good.
Ooh, downshift.
What sounds better than a beautiful bull doing downshift? Quick refuel on this bull. It's very thirsty. For you guys asking how much it costs for a full tank, it costs us 3,000 pesos. 3,000 pesos?
Yeah. Pero we had 25.
But we had 25%, so I guess full tank would cost 4,000 pesos.
Yeah. Sabi ni Didi eh, illegal to drive a Lambo on Strada daw.
Yup, you heard that? We learned from DDE. What did he say, Nash?
It's illegal to drive a Lambo on Strada.
Yup.
Always on Sport or Corsa.
You heard that right? You never put that thing on Strada. That's what's gonna happen in the next few Sunday runs, so you guys have to stay tuned because we're gonna take this Lambo out every week. Diba, Nash?
Yes.
We are heading to Ceramic Pro right now to see the cars they have there and to break in this new exhaust. So
Yeah.
stay tuned. This place is Garage Goals. You have a Maybach right there. Right behind me, we have a Dodge Challenger. But this is not just any ordinary one. This is wide-bodied. You see those wheel arches. It's beautiful. And the color is also nice. Look at how that looks. But wow, this 7 Series is nice. Look at the inside. This was the last model before the facelift, so it still doesn't have the big kidney grills. Soft close. Beautiful car. Here, right here, we have a Ferrari Portofino. Wow, the spec on this car. So it's also got Anarchy rims. Yup! Nash definitely made the right choice of going FI. That was mega. Wow, those downshifts are insane. It sounds so good. That's about it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye!
Bye guys! Huge shout out to FI Exhaust for the beautiful exhaust system on the Lamborghini Huracan. Once again, stay tuned for more videos, for more car builds. Like, subscribe to get notified for more videos. Peace!